Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M21 and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. Once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the Samsung logo, you can let go. And as you can see, we're now in the Android recovery mode. So in this mode, you will use volume keys to navigate. Volume down goes down, volume up goes up. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. As you can see, you can simply reboot the device from here. Reboot to bootloader, which I believe will be fast boot mode on here. Apply updates from either a SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run tests, either local or graphic ones, and simply power off the device. And like I said, whatever you select, you will confirm with the power key. So because I want to leave this mode now, I will select reboot system now, confirm with the power key, and simply wait for the device to boot back up into Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.